Welcome everybody to Trade Confident. Guys, we actually have some bullish news on this morning's video where we are talking about Dogecoin. Guys, every single video that comes out on this channel, I am live trading crypto. You guys can enter these trades with me, make the profit, manage the trades. It's been a lot of fun. Now, Dogecoin hasn't been honestly the most favorable trade for us, but hey, on this channel, you're going to see wins, you're going to see losses, you're going to see how I manage this. And actually, it would be a good thing, as weird as that sounds, maybe some of you guys don't want me to say that, is if we head down to this 27 buy limit and we get triggered in here, this would actually be a good thing for us because our entry will move down to 33.5 cents. So 33 cents is where I'm looking at for a new BE, which is called a break even once we hit this bottom buy limit. And then we have two more bottoms here that we can hit at 20 cents and 7 cents. This will help us dollar cost average into this, giving us a more favorable price and a better risk to reward ratio as the price actually moves down. All right, so let's take a look at quickly the news here. Dogecoin catches tailwind from NFT sell Bitcoin price. Okay, a bullish news here. Dogecoin is the bad boy of crypto analysts. Wow, like we've got some really good news this morning. This is very good news. All right, so forget about Dogecoin. These stocks can make you boatload of money. Okay, the Motley Fool's been like dumping Dogecoin the last few days if you've been following these videos. All right, so meme token, Doge, and Shibu and Spotlight as investors, huge catalyst. So this, I would say this is bullish. And then take a look at this down here. Don't dismiss Dogecoin, says Coinbase co-founder. So that's actually a pretty big deal. Anytime you get anyone from the exchanges coming out and actually looking to, say something positive about a coin, that's good. Also, I read an article this morning, for those of you guys who are really into Shiba Inu, that it is possibly going to be listed maybe on Coinbase. So it actually saw like a 26% surge when rumors of that came out. Now, they are rumors. We don't know if it's going to be officially listed or what day it is. If you guys know, please leave it in the comments if you've found official news yet. I personally haven't, but it looks like it's rumored at the moment. So we actually have very good news for Dogecoin today. So yeah, good job, articles. Not to say that they're supposed to make good news, but they sometimes control the sentiment of the market. So good, very good bullish news. So let's take a look at the price versus the money flow here and what the retail traders are doing. I do believe a lot of retail traders are still panicking and they're anxious and they're nervous. Something I am going to show you guys, make sure you're going over to tradeconfident.io and you're actually following this live trade over at tradeconfident.io. It's free to sign up, subscribe here, guys. Make sure you're following over here. All the updates are going to come out. If we hit this buy limit here, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I will be updating the entry price here, the break even, so you guys can follow that. But take a look right now. These are some new charts, some pro charts that I'm coming out with on the website here. You guys will be able to subscribe to and get these. But the emotional market index right now is based kind of off the CNN, the fear and greed index. But I think this is a little bit, I don't want to be biased on this, but I think it's a little bit better because it breaks it up into different sections just between like fear, greed, and neutral. But I actually see a lot of people, we're entering into what's called an anxious to maybe fearful market. So we have not gone down to fearful by any means yet. But I do see people who have taken trades here in this consolidation getting a little bit anxious, not knowing if we're going to keep dropping down here and keep dropping down. Well, that's kind of what I'm looking at, and it is positively correlating to the price versus the money flow. When the price is moving down like this and the money flow is following, this is when we get big drops. Like this has been a pretty nice slip and slide move down here. If you're on a hill and you're snowboarding, that would be a nice hill. So that's where I'm looking at as well. But take a look at this. This is a part where it's like, man, we could actually go down quite a bit more. The trend exhaustion is not even close to the bottom red line down here. Okay, it's like basically sitting in the middle here around like 38 to maybe 31 down here. When we get down to the very bottom, that's when we start seeing moves back up. That's when we start seeing moves back up down here. That's when we start seeing moves back up. It's been incredibly deadly accurate. All right, so we aren't at the bottom yet. I do believe, although the news is very bullish, overall, if we're looking at the sentiment of the traders, I do think that this is looking more bearish than it is bullish today. So bullish news, which is good, but also kind of bearish. Now, this is the situation where I think could set us up for a nice little pump here, is that with news being bullish and also technicals, being bearish, this could push us down into these lower support zones, which the next biggest one is, down here at 29.30 cents, and then we've got one down here at about 24.25 psychological level. So if we hit either one of these, this is where I'm expecting to see a pump. So although technicals are telling us, hey, we could see a little bit more of a drop down with the bullish news, with supports being hit, this is where we could be, this would actually be good for us, to be honest with you guys. It would be good if Dogecoin decided to go down here, if it is going to go down, and pass this 27 cent and maybe drop down to 25 cents, so our entries move down in here if you guys are following me on this channel. And then once we do that, we're going to get into our profit even faster. So that's my personal call on Dogecoin today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want more of these videos. I'm live trading on every single one of these. Have a good one. I'll keep the videos coming. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.